7 foods that rapidly reverse sarcopenia and restore muscle mass. After 50, have you noticed your arms feeling weaker when lifting groceries? Or your legs trembling on stairs you used to climb with ease? This isn't just normal aging. It could be sarcopenia. Certain everyday foods can literally flip the switch, slowing, and in some cases reversing, muscle loss. Today, I'll reveal the 7 most powerful foods, ranked from number 7 to number 1, that can help you rebuild muscle mass and restore strength naturally. Stay with me, because the number 1 food is so simple, so overlooked, yet so powerful, you'll wonder why no doctor ever emphasized it before. Meet George, 68, a retired teacher. For most of his life, he was active, but after turning 65, he noticed small changes. His arms looked thinner, his steps slower, and carrying shopping bags left him winded. Then one winter morning, George slipped while shoveling snow. His arms couldn't catch his fall, and he fractured his wrist. His doctor finally said the word, sarcopenia. George feared losing his independence. But when he adjusted his diet to include specific muscle-building foods, the transformation was striking. Within months, his grip strength improved and he walked with more confidence. And George isn't alone. Thousands of seniors are rebuilding strength through food. According to the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle, seniors who raised their daily protein intake gained 1 to 2 pounds of lean muscle in just 12 weeks, without heavy exercise. Harvard researchers found that foods rich in leucine, omega-3s, and vitamin D can trigger muscle repair genes even in people over 70. Translation: you don't have to spend hours in the gym. The foods on your plate can act like medicine for your muscles. Here are 7 foods that reverse sarcopenia. Starting from number 7, leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. You might not think of vegetables as muscle food, but greens contain nitrates that improve blood flow and muscle efficiency. A study from the University of Melbourne found seniors who ate 1 cup of leafy greens daily had 11% stronger leg muscles compared to those who didn't. Mini story. Dana, 70, started blending spinach into her morning smoothie. 3 months later, she noticed she could rise from her chair without pushing on the armrest. Small changes, big impact. But greens are just the beginning. The next food works like a portable muscle multivitamin. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, flax seeds. These little powerhouses are loaded with protein, magnesium, and omega-3s. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax, while omega-3s reduce inflammation that blocks muscle repair. In one 6-month study, seniors who replaced cookies with nuts had better balance and fewer falls. Quick tip: a small handful of almonds or a spoon of chia seeds in yogurt can fuel your muscles all day. But while nuts give steady strength, the next food delivers rapid, lean protein for repair. Number 5, chicken and turkey, lean protein power. White meat poultry is rich in complete proteins, all the essential amino acids your muscles crave. Just 1 chicken breast used to rely on processed meats. After switching to grilled chicken with vegetables, her energy soared, and her doctor noticed her walking speed improve. Poultry builds a foundation. But the next food doesn't just feed your muscles, it helps your body absorb nutrients better. Number 4, beans and lentils, plant-based strength. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and surprisingly powerful. Packed with protein, fiber, iron, and magnesium, they provide steady energy while feeding muscles. A 2021 study revealed seniors who ate beans 3 times per week had faster walking speeds and stronger legs than those who didn't. Mini story. Raymond, 65, added lentil soup to his dinners. He said, "I don't just feel stronger, I feel full and satisfied without junk food." Beans build a base, but the next food works double duty, feeding your muscles and your gut. There are 3, Greek yogurt, protein, plus probiotics. Greek yogurt is a muscle-friendly powerhouse, 20 grams of protein per cup. Probiotics that improve gut health, helping you absorb nutrients more efficiently. A clinical trial showed seniors eating yogurt daily gained more lean muscle compared to milk drinkers. Quick tip: choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and top it with berries or nuts for a triple-strength snack. Yogurt strengthens quietly, But the next food has been proven to switch on muscle-building genes. Number 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel omega-3s in fatty fish don't just protect your heart. They activate pathways that tell your body to build muscle. In one landmark study, seniors who ate salmon twice per week experienced a 30% increase in muscle protein synthesis. Vitamin D in fish also boosts balance and reduces fall risk. Mini story. Marcus, 74, who had stopped exercising due to fatigue, began eating sardines 3 times a week. Within weeks, he felt steady enough to start walking again. Fatty fish is powerful, but it's still not number 1. The top food is so simple, so common, yet so overlooked, and it outshines them all. 1. Eggs. The ultimate muscle food. Eggs are the perfect protein package. Each egg delivers leucine, the amino acid most directly tied to muscle growth. One study found seniors who ate 2 eggs for breakfast had double the muscle retention compared to those eating cereal. Eggs also provide vitamin D, critical for strength and bone health. Mini story. Eleanor, 69, swapped her toast and jam for scrambled eggs. Within 2 months, she said, "I feel like I've woken up stronger." Now here's the encouraging part. You don't need expensive powders or endless supplements. Just add these 7 foods: leafy greens, nuts, poultry, beans, yogurt, fatty fish, and eggs into your daily routine. Aim for 25-30 grams of protein per meal. Mix animal and plant sources. Stay hydrated. Muscles are 75% water.